Good morning, Frank Watkins, 31st of Jan 2022. Kylie's tied up at the moment, so I'm with her. Howdy,
yes,
her.
I'm here. Thanks, Frank. Good morning, everybody. Thanks for tuning in.
Okay, look, I'll do my scan. I'm not going to do Kylie's scan at all, but I just want to try and discuss a few things regarding the All Ords and the market. Firstly, we could argue we found a bit of support somewhere, but I definitely want to see it staying above 71.50. Currently, with the data on, we're at 72.42. So I think that's a bit of a start of a recovery. Now, recoveries are very, very rarely, let's say, a V shape, straight down and straight up. When you've had a big down move, everyone's confidence is shattered, there are losses, there are stops being hit, and there's a lot of negativity. So to turn that around, get everyone positive again, does take time, and different people will get bullish at different times. Generally, it's probably a sort of institution or the value investors that start nibbling at a bottom, or what they hope will be a bottom. Now, my observations over a few downturns like this is the first thing that gets hit is the quality stocks. So your BHs, your Commonwealths, all the big stuff, top 20, top 40, top 50, they get hit first, then the mid caps, and then the let's say micro caps. The thing is with the recovery also, it's virtually the reverse. The big stuff comes good first, then the mid caps and the micro caps may or may not recover. You'll also find that a lot of what was performing extremely well during the run up just isn't what performs as well when we...
May not perform as well.
Yeah, sorry, a bit of an interruption there with the phone yet again. I think I was just saying that a lot of the micro caps, if they were really raging in the run up and really get hit on the way down, they tends to take them a long time to recover, probably longer than the rest of the market, unless they've actually got something. The other thing, quality stocks don't drop as much as your stocks that may be high flyers, but they've actually got nothing. So all things being equal, your BHs and your Commonwealths, they'll be the first to recover. Anyway, the issue really is same as always. Just wait for the market. If we're coming off significant lows like we have here on the All Ords, we need to see a high low, and then a higher high. So just having a look at something like BHP, we haven't had a significant low, so it doesn't apply. The high low does not apply with BH. The pullback wasn't that bad because it's a quality stock. So
what's it done today, Frank?
Back off. So looks like there's support there at 44.50 roughly.
Yeah.
That was massive volume on Friday. So you wonder, it may be a red candle because it finished lower, but if we look at Friday's close, 46.92, previous close 45.67, so we're up $1.30 odd on massive volume with a tail. If you're trying to look at these stocks with a microscope, you'd argue that Friday's action was pretty bullish. Long tail, closed high 46.48, closed 45.67. So it did back off a bit towards the end of the day. And hang on, sorry, wrong day. High 47.26, closed 46.92. So it backed off, but not a huge amount. So no follow through today, despite iron ore being up over the weekend and up quite strongly. To my mind, with BH, you're just going to put the same two lines. That one, we could extend that across. We're just going to plug this gap, or we have plugged that gap. Now we've backed off. Now we should go through and be looking to close this gap up here. So to my mind, unless that 44.50 level fails, we're looking for 51.20.
Can we have a look at what Rio did on Friday?
Yep. Very similar.
Much the same.
Yeah, very similar. But did make a new high on Friday.
Yeah.
Or new high for, what's that? That's a 4-month new high. Again, I think you're heading for this gap here. 125, 126. And it's interesting, the difference with Rio on Friday is green candle.
Yeah.
BH red candle. So I don't know, I don't take a lot of notice of candles on a daily basis. In fact, if you want to look at this with a better view, I think go to your Heiken-Ashi.
Yeah.
And I really think it just shows the trend a whole lot better than trying to pick one candle.
Yeah.
Anyway, I'm going to turn the data off. I'm just going to have a little experiment here. Turn the data off and do my high, low. We've got 9 results. Just looking at them, CLB, DKM, DLT, OAU, RMC, SE1, URW and VUK. Now, turn the data on and do the same scan. We've still got 9 results with, BBX, CLB, DKM, DLT, OAU, RMC, SE1, URW, VUK. So it's the same 9.
Okay.
So we've just wasted an hour and a half looking at the market.
Right.
Nothing's changed. So let's just talk about these quickly. BBX, it is showing some bottoming action. Maybe a break of that 20 will be worth a look at.
Yep.
Only 460 million out there, so reasonably tightly held. Candy Club. You just wonder what about the names these days. a consumer staples. Candy Club.
Candy. The club.
Sounds like something out of LA, doesn't it? Like the Viper Room. Anyway, perhaps a break of 10. Break of 10 is always important. Only 365 million out there.
Yeah,
I've seen worse. Little gap up here to 10.5. Not a lot of volume going through. Maybe better things. Duketon, don't like that. Not coming off a major low. Just a lousy example. Delta, too much lack of volume in here. $45,000 went into it on Friday? No, today. 45,000 so far today. $3,000 on Friday, so the big spenders are in there. Break of 2 might be interesting. 982 million out there, might be getting set for a cap raise. Need to do homework on these things and just check the cash.
Yep.
That looks better, and it's a $1.90 stock. You can just see Okay, we have a long-term low here. How far back does it go? Back to November 20. So 12, 14 months low.
Yeah.
That's significant.
Yep.
We've got a little high, low here, but this is the serious one. Backed off for a higher low. Yeah, seen worse than that. Resimac, a financial Resimac. Need to click on the little tab here. Resimac, one of Australia and New Zealand's premier and most established non-bank home loan lender. Okay. Home loans. Make what you will of that. SE1, for whatever reason I like this. Woo. Only 414 million out there. IT sector. Gap up here.
Yeah.
This gap closed. Had a crack at it, backed off. If that goes through again, probably through 2.2, will get interesting.
Yeah.
URW, yeah, too gappy again. Unibail, Rodamco, Westfield. Yes, real estate, okay. And last one is Virgin Money. I don't mind Virgin Money. I prefer used money, but still, again, we've seen better.
Yeah.
For whatever reason, I'm not a fan of that one.
Yep.
Okay, so that's it from me, and that's it from her.
Yeah, that's it. If you are a non-subscriber to the software and you would like to give it a trial, please email me, jo@protrader.com.au. I'm going to go and find out what Candy Club is. I might join.
Catch ya.
Bye.